Today, I'm giving you 10 practical AI businesses you can start from home, and you do not need a tech background. All of these businesses I'll be telling you, you can start them from home today. So let's jump in. Number one, children's coloring page and activity book. A lot of you don't know that you can go to Gemini and ask Gemini to create coloring pages for you, and Gemini will just totally create it for you. You can use AI to create alphabet tracing books, Bible coloring books, homeschool worksheets, anything you can think of. All right, you can use AI to create it. And where did this come from? Last year, my daughter wanted to color a lot of funny things. She had ideas in her head that I couldn't find on Amazon. And so I was like, oh my God, wait, we can create that on Gemini. And so we'll go to Gemini and type all her wonderful ideas and it will come up with it. All right. So you can definitely sell those. You can sell them on Etsy. You can sell them on your own website. You can just go to Amazon KDP. You can list it there. All right. What you need to know is how to prompt Gemini or whatever AI tool you be using, chat. Just tell it to create a coloring page for such and such, and it will print it out for you, save them, make it into a book and sell it. All right. Number two, a printable business. Now, the printable market is massive. It is super massive. People are buying digital product every single day because they want convenience, right? And there's so many examples you can try. Some are budget planners, meal planners, prayer journals. I sell prayer journals myself. Bible study journals. I sell Bible study journals myself. Wedding planners, lots and lots of things. What are you good at? What do you want to come up with? Come up with something and create a digital product. Now, AI has made it super easy. If you go to Claude and ask Claude to help you create a digital product, right? And you give Claude a niche, Claude will print everything out for you. And all you need to do is take it to Canva, design it, and start to sell it. Super amazing, all right? So AI can help you create all of the content of this book, of this journal, the layout, the prompt, and the product ideas. It can create everything. And many sellers are making thousands of dollars per month selling digital products. If you think digital products are not selling, go to Etsy and just scroll, look at the digital products and look at how much each person is selling per month. Number three, faceless YouTube channel. Now, many people assume that they need to show their face to succeed online. And that is not the truth, even though I prefer the face showing, right? But the truth is you don't need to show your face to succeed online. And that is the truth. AI can help you create your scripts, your voiceovers, your video editing, your captions, B-roll, suggestions, thumbnails, titles, everything. I currently use AI for my thumbnails all the time. All right. AI can help you do all of that, and popular niches for that: finance, motivation. And I'm sure you've seen all these videos online. No face, just a background, something, and then there's a voice speaking over it. If you go to ChatGPT and tell it to create motivation for you and you put it in a voiceover app, it'll create the voiceovers for you. All right. Health, celebrity news, all of these things, you see them having millions and millions of views. All right. Your videos can continue to generate income long after you upload them. Right? There are videos that I still watch that are motivational videos that have been posted years and years ago. All right. Number four, AI content creation agency. Now, I personally have a content creation agency myself where small business come to me and ask to create content for them. Right? Now, this is a super lucrative business because small businesses simply don't have the time to create content. They don't have the time, and so you can use AI to create it. Now, one thing I will not do is give you business ideas that I have not, one, tried and tested, or that I have not seen someone who I know try and test it. And so you can use AI to create Instagram captions, blog posts, newsletters. My newsletters go out every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I don't even do anything anymore All I have done is created a skill on Claude that tells it what I need it to create. And every month it goes out and schedules all my newsletters for the month. So instead of just sitting and waiting at home, find a way to up your skills. Now, I tell people that the only way to make money is to have a skill that people cannot do without. So find a skill, learn how to create all these things and start to create it. Number 5, children's learning resources business. Now, parents spend money on education. Right on your screen now, you will see a website that I'm currently building for a family. And this family wants a website where their children can learn anything. And I'm currently building this website myself. You can see how amazing it is. Now, I'm building it using AI fully. Homeschool families spend money on education. I can tell you for free because I'm a homeschool family too. So AI can help you create a website like this using just regular prompts, all right? Flashcards, unit study, reading comprehension packs, whatever knowledge you have, right? AI can help you bring it into physical, right? Such that you can sell it. Number 6, AI resume and LinkedIn service. I'm going to show you my LinkedIn now. And recently I used Claude's most powerful model, Fable, to audit my LinkedIn and to update it for me. And look at how it's looking super amazing. All the about section, the skills, everything updated. Claude did it for me. Now, many people struggle with writing their resumes or getting their LinkedIn in order. You can help clients with this. Not everyone has the time or the knowledge right now to sit with AI to learn how all the things you can use AI to do. Right now, when Claude helped me do this, I didn't have to copy and paste. Claude did everything, went into my LinkedIn, updated it. I just set it in motion and I went away. By the time I came back, my LinkedIn was already set, right? So you can do that. Cover letters, interview preparations. You can create a website for interview preparations, right? So you can help people prepare for interviews. And when they come to you and they say, I'm preparing for such and such interview, you use AI to create an interview preparation app where they can go there and then practice. It's as easy as that, all right? Number 7, AI virtual assistant business. Now, businesses are overwhelmed. They need help. And some services that you can offer, they include email management, calendar management. I'm currently building an automation for email management, all right, for my own organization, where the automation, once you put in your form, immediately it reads what you have written, your question, and responds to you. I don't have to do anything. And if you're scheduling an appointment, it immediately puts you on my calendar. So super amazing. So calendar management, customer support, research, data entry, appointment scheduling. AI helps you complete tasks within a fraction of the time. And that means higher profit margin for you. Now, this is a great opportunity to invite you to the Empire Academy. Over there, we're learning about AI. We're learning how to make money. Right now, we're currently running the 30-day AI challenge where we're learning tools and we're learning how to interact with AI. So if you want to join us, I encourage you to join us. I'm going to be linking it in the description box. You're going to love it. There is almost 100 women like you trying to learn AI, trying to build digital products, trying to create ebooks and all of those. They're in there and we're all waiting for you. It's an amazing community. So come join us. Number 8, self-publishing businesses. Now this one is the most practical business because the barriers to entry are so low. And what I mean is that you can start it right now, right? You can create children's books, devotionals, journals, all the things we've spoken about before, ebooks. You can now create it and then turn them into a book and send it to Amazon KDP. Once you publish this, you continue selling for years. Like I told you before, I will never tell you things that I haven't tried. If you look at your screen now, you will see that I have up to 4 or 5 books on Amazon KDP selling myself. All right. Number 9, AI course creation business. Now, if you know how to do something, someone wants to learn from you. Don't underestimate yourself. And I see that that's the problem most women are going through. You're underestimating yourself, thinking that you do not have enough to sell, right? But if you know how to budget, you know how to garden, you know how to make bread, you know how to photography, fitness, budgeting, Canva design, you know how to study the Bible, social media marketing, AI can help you create a course, a full-blown course. All right. It can help you with course outlines. It can help you with slide decks. It can help you with workbooks, email sequences, marketing. It can help you create every single thing. All right. You just give it the idea, and with all these amazing models now, you just tell them what you want to achieve at the end of the day, and they automatically, the processes is not your business, just do it. All right. And the 10th one will be AI automation business. I told you that I was creating an automation for my own business, where when someone goes on the website and fills the form, right, the form automatic goes into the automation tool, and then it goes around it. The agent reads it, it looks for the correct response. The agent is already trained in my voice, and it responds to the email. Now, if you schedule an appointment with me, the agent automatically puts that on my calendar and sends an email to me to tell me that it has scheduled an appointment for me. Now, business wastes countless hours doing all these tasks themselves, sending emails manually, updating their spreadsheets manually, following up with leads, data entry, scheduling appointments, responding to all these little common questions. But you can help businesses automate the process using AI tools like make.com or N8N. If you learn how to use these AI automation tools, and they're so easy to learn, you can start to create automation and sell it to businesses. Now, the problem with people that I've seen is you want to make money, but you don't want to put in the work. Now, none of the businesses I've highlighted here is going to just throw money on your lap. You're going to have to do the work. You're going to have to make it look good. You're going to have to market it. You're going to have to market it to the right people, right? And that is when the money starts to come in. None of these things will just throw money at your laps. You're going to have to be so good at it. Why does a business have to pick you over someone else? You have to give them a very good reason to pick you over someone else. So if you ask me that, Toby, which of these ones should I choose and start today? First of all, I'll ask you to go based off of what you already know, your skills and all of that. But if I was the one starting, I'll start with children's coloring and activity pages first. Basically, because number one, it's easy to create, and number two, there's a high demand for it. Number two will be digital products and printables. Why? Because I already do it, and there's also a super high demand for it. And then the third one will be AI content services for businesses, right? For example, I go to the closest business to my house, the person selling wheels and tires, and I tell them, I can do this for you. I can create this content for you and can bring sales to your organization. And so those are my three top picks. So if you have to start anyone today, go ahead and start any of those ones. And like I told you, if you need help, and I know you do, I invite you to join the Empire Academy. I'm going to be linking it in the description. And of course, in the pinned comments, right? In that academy, we're learning all of these things, and we're going deeper into it and making sure that everyone is building a project. All right. So definitely join us. Now, I want you to know that AI is not replacing us. AI is making us superhuman, right? And the earlier you jump on this trend, the better for you. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. And I hope you have an amazing day. My name is Still Rich.